It's the cutest little pumpkin, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my god, where do we start? Honestly, I've got so much stuff. It's absolutely insane. Hi guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very exciting one, and it is an autumn decorate with me inspired by Gemma, Louise Miles and Amy Rose Walker. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a decorate with me, and I'm also going to be showing you a little bit of my baking as well. Fingers crossed that it's good, because I'm yet to do it. I'm filming the intro before I do this, so I'm praying that it's good. But I do love all my decor that I've bought. Still waiting on some parcels, so I'm praying that they've come in time for this video. But I'm feeling super cozy, and I'm in my Angel Collection oversized hoodie. And yeah, I can't wait for you to all see what I've bought and how I'm going to decorate it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so here we have a bit of a haul of everything that I've bought this autumn. I did get a lot this autumn. Let me just explain. I had no autumn decor whatsoever, and for the past year I've been telling myself on autumn I'm going to go big or go home, hence the reason I've bought so much. But I am so excited. So I'm going to basically be taking everything out of the basket, and ignore my mirror tray over there and the chopping board. I will explain that in a second. What I'm going to be doing now is emptying everything, tell you where everything's from, and yeah, showing you where everything is going to go. So just give me 1 second and I'll put it in a little pile and we will be back. Right, so I'm going to kind of explain this pile first over here. So this is the stuff for the kitchen, and this is the stuff for the living room. The basket is for the hallway, and yeah, that's pretty much everywhere I'm going to be decorating. So let's get into what I've bought. So this little towel over here isn't meant to be a tea towel, but it's perfect for one. And this was from Asda. Scott actually bought me this, and he bought me a candle as well, which I'm going to be showing you later. But yeah, absolutely love this. Just covered in pumpkins, and I think it was like £3, which is an absolute bargain. And everything that you will see in this little haul will be linked below. Then I picked up this glass pumpkin to put some cookies in, and this was from Amazon. It took a while to get here. So if you're going to order one, it's probably better for next autumn. But yeah, this is from Amazon, and it's just a giant clear glass pumpkin, and opens like this. You can put your cookies or fairy lights or anything like that in it, and it looks really nice. And this mini one over here was also from Amazon, and you can just put whatever you want in. Little teaspoons. I watched Amy Rose Walker's video and she put teaspoons in hers, and yeah, it just looks like this. It's the cutest little pumpkin, I'm not going to lie to you. I've got an obsession with pumpkins, as you can tell. Then I picked up this pegboard from Etsy, and it's a gingerbread pegboard, which if you've seen gingerbread, they do some gorgeous things. And I'm going to go ahead and put some like cute autumnal quote on here, so that's what I'm going to be doing with that. And if you've already seen Amy Rose Walker's video, this video is inspired by hers. Also Gemma Louise Miles's as well, but more Amy Rose Walker's. So she inspired me to get a pegboard and do this, and she also inspired me to do the next thing. So she showed these glass mugs she got from IKEA. Mine are actually from Amazon, and I got a pack of 4. And she went to a shop on Etsy and picked up some little vinyl stickers. Mine just say cozy vibes and hello pumpkin. So what I'm going to be doing is putting these on the little cups, which I'm really excited about. You don't know the temptation to do this before filming the video. Was unreal. I've wanted to do this for a while now. I keep showing Scott all the autumn stuff and getting really excited. Then the glass jar over there is from the range, and that's going to be for my cookies, which I thought would be really nice. I'm either going to put cookies in there, or I'm going to put the Lindt Lindor chocolates over here. And I also got a pack of cookie cutters, and this one is just from Amazon, and I will link them down below. And yeah, I made pumpkin cookies, as you will have just seen in the video. And then over here we've got this white wicker basket from Amazon. As you can tell, I've loved Amazon because I got the 28-day Prime trial, so I got the basket. And I'm going to put a nice blanket in here, and I'm maybe going to stand a pumpkin in, I'm not entirely sure. And then for the living room, I've got this autumnal garland. It's all a bit tangled together at the minute, but once it's up, I promise you it will look a lot better. But it's just got lots of autumnal leaves in, and obviously these aren't real leaves, so they're not going to go all over your floor and ruin everything. So I've got those. And then the candle that Scott got me is this Yankee candle, and this is, when it focuses, pumpkin pecan pie, which smells gorgeous, honestly. My mum opened it the other day, and she was like, yeah, it's alright, I'm going home with the candle. So that was from Asda, but you can get Yankee candles pretty much anywhere, although they are really good price at Asda. Then I picked up some battery operated lights, just a mini one to wrap around the garland, and this was £2.99 I believe. It was really cheap, so I got those. Originally I was going to put them in the clear glass pumpkin to light it up, but then I realised this would probably look better with cookies in, and this would look better wrapped around the garland. And then I got these 3 mini pumpkins from Etsy, and they're just like concrete pumpkins, and they're painted silver. Funnily enough, I watched Elle Darby's video yesterday, and she's got the same ones in white, but I really like these. So they just look like that. And then moving round, we've got this light up pumpkin. Let me show you this. How pretty is this? I promise you it looks so much better at night, but this is gorgeous. This was from Lights4fun. I'm genuinely considering leaving this up all year round because this is so pretty at night. And then the one next to it is also from Etsy, and I think it's 3D printed, Scott said. I don't really know what you'd put in it, but you could just put jewellery or something in there if you wanted to put anything in, but I've got it more for decor purposes. And last but not least, I picked up a pack of 12, I think there's 12 pumpkins from Amazon. And the only thing I'm slightly disappointed is it said they were silver at the tip, and they're kind of like white and brown. So I'm going to paint them, but I'm not going to have time to do with them this autumn, so I'm going to do it for next autumn, but I'm still going to be using them. And yeah, we've got 12 pumpkins, and I think they were like £9.99, so it was really affordable. And then I'm going to be using my chopping board, which I already had, and I think it was from Asda or something, and the mirror tray was also from Asda as well, and I did already have that. So a quick overview. There for the kitchen. This is for the living room. That is for the hallway, and this is also for the kitchen. What I'm going to be doing now is putting everything up. So I will see you all in the next clip. And as Scott just said, cue the montage.
Where do the clouds go, baby? I don't know. Maybe they'll be back. Tomorrow we will know. How many times do I have to tell you? Early in the morning, you're beautiful too. Early in the morning, you're beautiful too. Counting the grains of sand upon the beach. Somehow that number is always out of reach. How can I tell you the way you make me feel? All of my thoughts begin and end with you. All of my thoughts begin and end with you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you. Where does the wind blow? Baby, I don't know. But there is a place, I can't tell you where for sure. Falling asleep to rain upon the roof. All of my dreams begin and end with you. All of my dreams.
Right, so what we're going to be doing now is moving on to the little DIYs in the kitchen. So now we've gone ahead and done the DIY, we're going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of the decor up in the kitchen, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I will see you in a sec.
It's just begun, and there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep. You're on fire, so burn it with me.
So guys, this is a living room tour for the autumn decor. So on here we've got my garland from Amazon, and the fairy lights are also from Amazon, and my Yankee candle in pumpkin pecan pie. And it just looks like this. It looks super pretty, and it gives a lot more of an autumn feel to the living room as well. So moving round, I've not really done too much here because obviously the kids play here and anything that they can grab they will. So I've kind of left this bit the same, but then over here on this Tom Ford book we've got this gorgeous light up pumpkin which looks so pretty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a clip at the end of the video where this is lit up at night because it looks stunning. But yeah, this looks so gorgeous on my Tom Ford book. Then moving around from my little light up pumpkin, we've got my fluffy throw from the range and my cushions. And then moving round, we've got my Dior book and Chanel book and my little concrete pumpkins that stood on top and my Etsy pumpkin. How gorgeous does this look? This is probably one of my favourite little pieces, and I wish I could leave this up all year round, I really do, because it fits so nicely. And we've got my snowflake cookie wax smell, although that's more of a Christmas scent, I thought it would definitely give a more cosier feel. And then we're going to move on to the hallway. So here we have my lanterns that I already had up from last year, and if you watched my landing transformation, these were actually in there. Sorry about the lighting, it's quite a rainy day today, so the lighting's gone a little. But I've linked the lanterns below, or some really similar, and the lights as well. Then I've just got this reed diffuser. Moving on into this corner, I've got my little autumn basket, which is super cute, absolutely love it, with my little pumpkins in. And overall, I'm just really happy with everything. I think everything looks so cozy, so cute, and I'm feeling very autumnal, and I'm really happy with everything's turned out. I feel like it definitely was a success. This is the first time I've ever decorated for autumn, and yeah, this is definitely going to be a yearly tradition now. So yeah, see you all in the outro, and I really hope you've enjoyed the decorate with me just as much as I have.
So, it's just begun. And there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet. Things that we keep. You're on fire. So burn it with me. Leave it behind.
So guys, that was my autumn decorate with me video inspired by Gemma, Louise, Miles and Amy Rose Walker. I didn't get too much, but I think I got more than enough for me and my house. I spent quite a little bit of money. I got everything affordably, but because I bought everything all at once, it did cost a little bit of money, but it is 100% worth it in my opinion. But yeah, I really enjoyed getting everything and putting everything together, and I hope you all love it just as much as I do. So yeah, until next time guys, bye, love you.